This is a hearty, rich, and warming soup. I'm Tess, and today I'm making cream of mushroom soup. I'll show you how to make this delicious, earthy soup from start to finish. In a pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a combo of some butter and olive oil. In goes some diced onions and celery, cooking and stirring for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. Now I'm adding in some sliced mushrooms. I'm using cremini mushrooms, but you can use button or any other mushrooms or combo of mushrooms that you like. Also adding in some minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for about 10 to 15 minutes, and you're going to see the mushrooms release some moisture. When there's still some liquid on the bottom, I'm adding in some flour as a thickener. Cooking and stirring for another minute. I'm slowly adding in some chicken broth, and you can use vegetable or even some mushroom broth. Next are the seasonings, and I'm keeping it simple. I don't have any fresh thyme sprigs, but I am putting in a pinch of dried thyme and some salt and black pepper. Turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer and cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I removed about 2/3 of the soup and blended until smooth. You can use an immersion blender for this step, but I like a little of the mushroom pieces to remain in the soup for some bite and texture. If using a traditional blender like I am, be very careful as the soup is hot and don't burn yourself. You may want to blend this in batches and remember to hold a towel over the lid while blending. After the soup is blended, I'm pouring it back into the pan and bringing back up to heat. This wouldn't be cream of mushroom soup without the cream. I'm adding in the cream, and if you want to keep this on the healthier side, you can use half and half or even some milk. Stirring and cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes, and it's done. If you want your soup on the thicker side, you can add more flour to this recipe. Topping with some sautéed mushroom slices. This is such a warming and comforting soup, rich and creamy with lots of mushroom flavor. Serve with a slice of homemade bread and you've got a meal. I hope you give this creamy mushroom soup a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!